Warm greetings of the dear students, hoping of your well-being. Today we are going to proceed with the grammar topic and the topic is capital letters. So here is Mr. Capital Letter and he is saying hello to you and it wants that where you will use capital letters. So capital letters always in the beginning of the sentence. See example, the flowers are beautiful. His parents have come. T is the first letter of the sentence. H is also the first letter of the sentence. We write always capital letter of the first letter of the sentence. See, like we also want to first position in the class, so capital letter also likes the first place in the sentence. He also wants first in the sentence, like we also like to come first in the class, same. Now next rule is the names of days, months, festival and holidays. See, Sunday is a day, January is month, Holi is festival, Mother's Day is holiday. We celebrated last month also, dear. Yes, Republic Day is a holiday. We write first letter of all these days, months, festival and holidays with capital letter. See, again capital letter wants first position in the words also when it comes as a days, months, festival and holidays. Next, names of all proper nouns. Proper nouns you know now? Special nouns, particular nouns, not a general nouns, not a general names. See, maybe special name of a people, special names of places, special names of animals, special name of things. See, Peter and Nishan both are the name of the people. The first letter again come letter in the capital. Delhi is the name of the place, so D capital. Ganga is the name of the river, the G capital. Italy is the name of the country like India, the I capital. Buzo is the name of the dog. B also we write with the capital letter. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the name of a mountain. I already explained you in my last video where we use um, capital letters in proper noun. Always proper noun we write with the capital letters. Next, name of subject. You have many subjects like English, Math, Science, Hindi. These all subjects we write with the capital letter. What about Punjabi? Punjabi P also we write with capital letter. Social science, Urdu, all languages, all subjects we write with the capital letter. Abbreviations. What are abbreviations? Short forms. Television short form is TV. So we write T also capital, V also capital. Next is Prime Minister. P also capital, M also capital. So in abbreviations also we use capital letters. So I think you understood what is and where is we use capital letters. Now we have Mr. Full Stop. Mr. Full Stop is saying hello to everyone. Hello, I am Full Stop. Now the time to know me and where you will use me. A First, I will tell you what is punctuation. Punctuation marks are signs such as full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, etc. We use them in sentence to make the clear meaning. If we not use them properly, not at the right place, the sense of the sentence, meaning of the sentence will be changed. So we have to use them at proper place. Where you are going to use full stop. Full stop is here again. He is saying hello. Now the time to meet with me. A full stop indicates the longest pause. It means it is showing end of a sentence. Full stop is showing end of a sentence. This is a book. Full stop put here. Sentence is completed. So we write full stop here. James is my best friend. Sentence is finished. So that's why we are using full stop here. So I think clear capital letters where we use and full stops. Now the time to meet with the Mr. Comma. Mr. Comma he is saying, hello everyone, I am here. Now the time to learn about me. Comma, where we use comma in the short pause, not in the end of the sentence. Short pause where we have to stop for some time. It is used to separate number of items. It is used where we use it is used to separate the items, separate the nouns, maybe common, maybe proper. See example. He bought apples, banana, oranges, mangoes. These are the list of things, list of items or list of nouns. So we separate them with the help of comma. Next is before or after the name of a person. It means when we write the name of the person in the sentence, we put comma. See example, please close the door, Anil. Anil is the name of a person, so we put, if the name is in the end, so we put comma in front of them. Madam, may I come in? So here ma'am is also common noun, the way we put comma after ma'am. May I come in? Next is after yes, no. Many questions we have now, those answer have yes or no, oh, and before please. So where come in the answer in the sentence yes, no, oh, or please, we put comma. See example. No, comma, I do not play tennis. No after comma. Lend me your pencil. So bicycle please. So please before comma. So these are our friends, those come to meet us. And the last is Mr. Question mark. Mr. Question mark. Now the time to see me where I will come and how do you use me. So now you see Mr. Question mark, it is used at the end of a question asking sentence. It means when we are asking something from other. What is your name? We put comma. We are asking the name. That's why. Where are you going? Again we are asking कि कहाँ जा रहे हो? तो we put question mark. In the last, but not the last, it is the second last is exclamation mark. Mr. Exclamation mark. Now he is here. He is saying now you have to see me where I will come. So exclamation marks we use after a word, a group of word or sentences to express strong feelings. Maybe angry, maybe surprised, maybe frightened, or maybe very happy. So when sudden feelings comes in us, strong feelings comes in us, we use exclamation marks. We have some examples of this. Hey, I am having fun means very happy. What a surprise! Exclamation. Help, help. Sudden. These are showing the sudden feelings. So this is all related to punctuation. Apostrophe is left. That I am going to explain in the next video. Thank you, students.